Let me quickly go through how to use TikTok direct messages. If you've not chatted with someone inside of TikTok, let me show you the way that you do it. You just need to head over to the inbox section on the bottom right and then just pick the person that you're trying to chat. If you don't see the chat straight away in the inbox, you can always search it up on the search bar on the top and then type in the name. You can just open up their profiles, the person that you're trying to chat, and then you can add in any message. You can also send in pictures from your gallery and also send any emojis. This way, the other people will receive the message that you just sent. Now, there are some exceptions to this. If the other person you're sending the message does not follow you back, the message will not be directly sent, meaning the other person won't be able to view the message that you just sent. In order for the other person to also view the message, the other person must follow you back. Once the message has been sent, it would be visible on the message section right here. So you can just head over to it and make any changes or add any additional messages. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to hit that notification bell if you are interested in more future videos as well.